What is going on? We're back at it again with another part for the bike. I know it's a lot of bike stuff, but like I said, I'm gonna be modding there. Things are coming in slowly, so that's good. We're actually in the garage this time. You guys can see the ZL1s out there, the homie over there. You guys should follow him. You know, he has a pretty sick car. Kind of slow, but yeah. And yeah, so soon I'm gonna do a update on the cars, but for right now we're gonna get this started. So let's turn the camera around. So here we have I got it from Brock's Performance. So I went with a Sprint filter. So that's what the homies were recommending, so I forgot which one that I went with, but yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, you can literally see through it. That's what Mike was talking about. You can see way through it. Damn, but yeah, well, here's the part number if you guys wanna. This one. So I say it's gonna be my first time doing this. It's kind of late too. I'm gonna put the same thing as last time. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head again, and we're gonna get started. All right, like I said, hopefully the angle's good and you guys could hear me. It's kind of quiet here. Shit. So I already got these bolts loosened now. This one. Yeah, some weirdos. So, let's get started. Like I said, I don't know. I need to know what I'm supposed to do, but I believe you're supposed to lift up your gas tank from what I've seen. I've seen a few videos, but they're like older R6. Should be the same thing. So I don't know if I'm supposed to. Oh, damn, it's an Allen key. You see I'm vlogging here?
Yeah, fool, shut the fuck up.
I'm making noise. What the fuck you want me to do? Damn! You're disturbing.
Hey, can't you see the sign that says do not disturb recording and process?
You're disturbing my peace.
For real. Someone came and vlogging peace over here. What about fucking shit up?
I am gonna fuck shit up. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest with you guys.
He's got the whole bike down to a frame and shit. He's like, hey y'all, so this air filter install is kind of hard.
I heard you're supposed to take out.
Man, I'm really explaining this shit. I hate when you attack me and shit. Well, I really attack shit at you.
Like I said, you guys. Oh, damn. Like I said, you guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I'm doing this thing right. He's gonna be like, damn, this guy definitely don't know how to work on bike. Which I don't. It's a learning process. I can't even take out this ratchet back out. Oops. All I know, the gas tank has to get lifted up at least a good amount, because I think it goes up there. Like I said, hopefully you guys could hear me and everything. Cars out here being loud. Oh, they just go forward. I think. Because, see, that slants. So, Oh, they pull back. Oh, okay. Look. Okay, see? Told you guys, I don't know what I'm doing, so literally my first time, man. I didn't message none of the homies too. They could help me out. I'm really trying to learn this on my own too. Be smart, always try to put everything kind of back, organized. It fits. So I was looking at a video. I looked a decent one, but it doesn't really like show me where's the stuff at. But I believe you remove these two that also hold the gas tank. So okay, there we go. If you have a magnet, probably it'll work better. I do have one, but there it goes. Okay, so so oops. But I think this is where the filter goes, right there. So I think the best thing to do is actually take out the fuel line. Or wait, maybe you could just pop it out, make it. That was way better. Oh, so it has one on the other side too, I guess. I feel like if you're gonna do this, it's better to do it with the motorcycle not having gas. So then that should I think you could. I'm not trying to take it off completely, so okay, there's that. I thought of just removing the hose that just go right there, but like I said, I know you guys probably gonna roast me and stuff, but I did what I had to do. It's my first rodeo, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See?
Can we show the Civic already or not?
Huh?
Can we show the Civic?
Yeah. This thing comes out this way.
But my union brake.
Can you pick up the gas tank? Just see. There it is. See?
Oh, baby has filter.
Shit. I am recording.
Oh. It's just. Whose fucking man's is this?
There it goes. Damn, this is huge. It's not transparent. Ain't getting no airflow in this bitch. Okay, now. Am I supposed to remove that? Yeah. Or does it just slap in like that?
The new filter's way bigger than that one.
Huh?
The new filter's way bigger than that, isn't it?
That's what I'm saying. Am I supposed to take... See how it has clips on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Does it pop off too and you put this? Or is it just like that?
I'm like that.
Hold on. No, I think it's like that. Yeah, it's literally like that. Holy crap. Big difference. I know you guys can see. Big difference.
Holy shit, look at the shit. I see it already.
Oops.
Pay attention, fool. Yeah. Okay. Making everything fucking car blow up today. Dardan, look at your own shit.
All right, guys. So I kind of figured it out. So I had to move this a little bit more open, and then it just slides down there. So it's on there. Oh damn, that's not even there. So
Oh, ¿ya haciendo un preludio?
oops. 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 Definitely a big oops right there. All right. Put this back. It's on there for the most part. Put this gas tank back. Oops. So it's all put together, guys. Like I said, you could tell there's a big difference. Throttle, you could hear the engine way more. And yeah, it picked up a little bit more loudness. So like I said, probably the exhaust is gonna be next for the R6. So I still gotta put block off plates here. I know right here is missing a little thing, but I know where's it at. It's on one of these screws. I realized that one of these screws was different, and I was like, but yeah. If you guys are enjoying the content, I know it's just little simple things, but it's actually my first time doing all these things to the bike. More things to come, like I said, and I'm gonna have a day off real soon, so probably I end up taking the Camaro out somewhere, and we could get like little cruise, and I start talking about the car or something. We'll figure something out for sure. I hope I did it right. I don't think so. You don't have to remove this piece, but this is the old one, and like I said, I put the new one together, and you could tell a big difference.
You want to pick up some 91 or no?
Hope you guys are enjoying these small little installs. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Hopefully it's not too long, because like I said, gonna start. I don't know what the GoPro recorded or anything, but yeah, hope you guys are really enjoying this. Like I said, even though it's late, I'm still trying to do this after I come out of work, so I'm tired, but yeah, I gotta keep pushing content for you guys. So please give this a thumbs up, I mean. Share, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.